Shouts out to Mixtape. I actually interviewed Paul Burns, the founder, the creator of Mixtape. Yesterday, that interview will come out in about 3 or 4 weeks, but he sent me a device to essentially have for myself. So we're going to unveil it in real time, kind of go through it. One of the cool things I'll say about kind of what I do being able to interview my guests is that sometimes I get a gift. And these gifts are pretty cool. So the packaging is pretty cool. Not sure if you guys can see that here. Mixtape. So as I continue to open it, it's a cassette tape that really doubles as an mp3 player. I think that's the best way to explain it. You see Mixtape, he has that trademark, the term mixtape trademark. He also has some patents on the actual device. And Paul Thing, go to his website, check it out, go purchase it. We're going to continue to open it up here. So I have my scissors. And I'm going to open it up. Man, this thing is sweet. So it kind of reminds you of that old school CD case or that cassette case. So I was born in the 90s or in 90. So I still remember the tapes, even though my era was really CDs. But you can see here, let me kind of show you guys here before I pull it out. You can see this is the device right here.